Affiliate marketing and what you need to know. Since there are so many programs available for people out there seeking to work from home, many individuals simply pass over the idea of being an affiliate marketer. However, some of the most successful business people on the internet are working as affiliates. When you want to learn about marketing, this video contains some great tips you can use. Make sure you pick products that you are familiar and comfortable with. You want to pick something that you know you can advertise well to maximize the amount of potential profit available to you. You don't want to get stuck trying to promote products you have little or no information about. If you are creating an affiliate marketing program, be sure to give your affiliates a wide selection of powerful tracking tools. This makes it easier for them to see what links are working and what aren't, which means better profits for you as well. Also, more powerful tools will attract more experienced marketers. Increasing your productivity in affiliate marketing is about mindset just as much as it is about action. So in order to make sure you have the proper mindset, you should always wait until you experience results before increasing your campaign. Results will give you the confidence to grow and the drive to follow through. If you are looking for extra payment options, you need to choose the right affiliate. While some programs only pay out by mailing checks at fixed levels of earnings, more flexible ones can offer you direct deposit or online transaction methods like PayPal. The amount of knowledge you'll need, in order to become a successful affiliate, is vast, to say the least. A few tips, while they'll ultimately allow you to get your feet wet, are not going to turn you into a millionaire. Exercise the info you've learned here and work your way up the affiliate ladder. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.